Welcome to Epic Journeys Await. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the heart of Africa, to the small but vibrant country of Burundi. Though often overlooked, Burundi is filled with stunning landscapes, rich history, and a unique culture. Burundi is a small, landlocked country in East Africa, bordered by Rwanda, Tanzania, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Known as the heart of Africa, it is rich in culture, history, and natural beauty despite its modest size. The country is characterized by its rolling hills and the stunning Lake Tanganyika, one of the world's oldest and deepest lakes. Historically, Burundi was a monarchy, and its legacy still influences the modern nation. Let's dive into 10 fascinating facts about this hidden gem. Fact 1. Small in size, rich in heart. Burundi is one of Africa's smallest countries, covering only 27,834 square kilometers. Despite its size, it's known for its rich cultural heritage and warm hospitality, earning its nickname as the Heart of Africa. Fact 2. A nation of hills. Burundi is a country of hills. In fact, most of the country is covered with undulating terrain, earning it the title of the Land of 1,000 Hills. These hills are home to coffee and tea plantations, some of the country's main exports. Fact 3. Lake Tanganyika, one of the world's oldest lakes. Burundi borders Lake Tanganyika, one of the oldest and deepest lakes in the world. It's a crucial part of life here, supporting local fishing communities and offering stunning scenic beauty for visitors. Fact 4. Unique drumming tradition. Burundi is famous for its royal drummers. This ancient tradition, once used in royal ceremonies, is now a proud part of Burundian cultural identity. The synchronized rhythms and powerful performances have been recognized by UNESCO as part of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Fact 5. A historic kingdom. Before colonization, Burundi was a well-organized kingdom with a monarchy that dates back to the 16th century. This ancient history still influences the country's modern identity, with the Burundian people proud of their royal lineage. Fact 6. Ethnic diversity and unity. Burundi is home to 3 main ethnic groups, the Hutu, Tutsi, and Twa. Despite past conflicts, the country has worked hard toward reconciliation, and today, these communities live together in peace, contributing to the rich cultural tapestry of Burundi. Fact 7. Gitega, the new capital. Did you know Burundi has 2 capitals? Bujumbura was the country's capital for decades, but in 2019, the government officially moved the capital to Gitega. Bujumbura, however, remains the economic hub and the largest city. Fact 8. Burundian coffee, a hidden gem. Burundi produces some of the finest coffee in the world. Known for its rich flavor, Burundian coffee is grown in the country's high-altitude regions and is sought after by coffee enthusiasts worldwide. Fact 9. Kibira National Park, a biodiversity haven. Kibira National Park is a natural treasure in Burundi, covering 400 square kilometers of forest. It's home to a variety of wildlife, including chimpanzees, colobus monkeys, and hundreds of bird species. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. Fact 10. A struggle for stability. Burundi has faced political and social challenges throughout its history, including civil wars and conflicts. But today, it's a country focused on healing, development, and building a brighter future for its people. From its ancient drumming traditions to the serene beauty of Lake Tanganyika, Burundi is a country full of surprises. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, this is the place to explore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Epic Journeys Await for more amazing travel stories from around the world.